Hey guys, in this video I will show how to make gold version No Way Home web shooter without any springs. The best part is you can make this web shooter even without a 3D printer. Check out description box for free templates. Now coming back, I made design for this web shooter using Tinkercad. You can also make exact same parts using cardboard too. To print the model, I will be using PLA filament. I recommend using black and white filaments. Some of the white parts will later be covered with gold paint. These are the parts that make this web shooter. You can even make these parts using cardboard as I have given all the measurements. To make this variable, I will be using this belt that was upcycled from my old backpack. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.